Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Still running Windows 10 in 2026? That is a huge security risk since support ended last year. But do not throw that old laptop away. Today, I am showing you how to turn that old brick into a lightning-fast machine with ChromeOS Flex. It is free, Google-powered, and it boots in seconds. Ready to revive your hardware? Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about what you need. Grab a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space. Anything larger is even better. Now, a quick heads up. Google has a certified models list, which I have linked directly in the description below to save you some time. I am opening that page right now just to show you. If your device is on that list, you are golden. If it is not, do not panic. ChromeOS Flex often works on unlisted hardware, but there is a small warranty note you should know. Google does not guarantee stability or performance on non-certified devices, and updates might occasionally cause quirks. So, if you are okay with a little tech adventure, let's proceed. But remember, back up your data first because we are going to wipe everything. Alright, let's get technical, but keep it simple. Open your Chrome browser on any computer and head to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the Chromebook Recovery utility and click Add to Chrome. Once that extension is installed, click that little puzzle piece icon in the top right to open it. Hit Get Started and then click Select a model from a list. This is the most important part. For the manufacturer, choose Google Chrome OS Flex. And for the product, select Chrome OS Flex. Insert your USB drive now. Make sure there is nothing important on it. Select your drive from the list and hit Create Now. This will download the files and prepare your rescue drive. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so sit tight. Now that our USB is ready, take it over to your old PC and plug it in. We need to enter the boot menu. As soon as you hit the power button, start tapping that boot key repeatedly. It is usually the F12 key, but it could be F9 or the escape key depending on your brand. If you are not sure, just do a quick Google search for your laptop model plus boot menu key. Once you see the boot menu, select your USB drive and hit Enter. Look at that! We are at the welcome screen. First, select your language. I'm going with English United States. Then click on Get Started. Now, some people like to try it first, but we are here for that total transformation, right? So I am going right for the Install ChromeOS Flex button. A big warning will pop up telling you this will erase your entire hard drive, so please make sure you have backed up anything important. The process is incredibly fast, usually under 5 minutes. When it is done, the screen will tell you to remove the USB drive. Do it now and let the machine reboot into its new life. Once it reboots, you are greeted by the Welcome to ChromeOS Flex screen. Select English United States for your language and hit Get Started. Next, you need to get connected to enjoy all the features. Now, if your PC has a Wi-Fi card, you will see your networks listed here. In my case, as you can see, I am connecting via Ethernet for that rock-solid stability. Once the system detects your connection, click Next. Now, choose how you want to use the device. You can select for personal use, for a child, or for work. I am going with for personal use for this tutorial. Click Next. Now pay attention here. The system is going to start installing the latest update. This is crucial for security and getting those new 2026 features. It might take about 10 minutes depending on your internet speed. Also, a quick tip. As the screen suggests, make sure your laptop is plugged in and charging. You do not want it dying in the middle of a system update. Once the download hits 100%, the Chromebook will restart automatically to finish the setup. Just be patient. It is worth the wait. Now we are back. It is time to link your Google account. Click Next on the info screen, and then type in your Google email or phone number. Hit Next, and then enter your password. Accept the terms and conditions. I usually uncheck the Help Improve Chrome OS box to keep things snappy, but that is totally up to you. Click Accept and Continue. Now here is a handy step. To make signing in faster, you can set a Chromebook password specifically for this device. This way, you do not have to type your long Google password every single time you wake it up. Next up, the system is going to ask, what will you use your Chromebook for? And then offer you some theme choices. Honestly, we just want to see that desktop. So I'm going to hit that skip button on the usage screen. And then hit skip again on the extra features and themes. We can always tweak those later. Your old PC is officially a supercharged Chromebook. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the Passionate About Tech community. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay passionate about tech.